Good afternoon, my viewers from anywhere you have been watching me. I want to say good afternoon to you, and it's another bright day. Today, we have a topic to treat, and that's inverse variation. Inverse variation. All right, and there are two questions for us to buttress the topic. All right, the first question there says, if, question number one, if y varies, I know this variation sign, inversely as what? As x, or inversely with x. So after this, what do you need to do? You bring your y, this thing to equal sign, you introduce what we call k. That stands for constant. K times 1 over s. Can you see that? So you have k, y equal to k multiplied by 1 is k over x. Let me call this your first step. Then you move on. And when y equal to what? 100. The value of y given to you is 100. The value of s given to you is what? 30. We work with this. So now we can move on now. From here, we have the value of our y to be what? 100. You substitute. You write 100. The value of k was not given. So you have k over, what's the value of s given to you? That's 30. From here now, what do we need to do? You can see this k standing on 30. So let this 100 sit on 1. So everything is equal at both sides. Anytime you are working mathematics and you notice there's equal sign in between two relations, what do you need to do? You cross multiply. So meaning that k multiplied by 1, k multiplied by 1, the other side 100 multiplied by 30. K multiplied by 1 gives you k. 100 multiplied by this give you what? 3,000. Can you see that? Good. In the question, Roman figure 1 attached to that question 1, you are asked to do what? Find, or what is what? Law connecting y and x. Law connecting y and x. What do you need to do? It means you come back here, and when you see k, you put the real value of k you've gotten there. So let's move from this now. We have y equal to k over x. Can you see that? We have y equal to, instead of writing k, what do you need to write? 3,000. And then you write what? X. This is the answer to Roman figure 1. So this is what we call law connecting x and y, or y and x. Or simply put, the equation of relationship between y and x. All right, now, so we need to move further to Roman figure 2. What do you have in Roman figure 2? We are asked to find the value of y, write y, put question marks at the front. When what? X equal to 10. All right. You need to make use of your equation of relationship to get the value of that. So, all right. I'm repeating this here. You have y equal to 3,000 over x. Don't forget, that's your equation connecting y and x together. So move now. Were you given a value of y? No. So you write your y, 3,000 over, you were given the value for x, which is what? 10. You cut this. Your y equal to what? 300. All right, so we are left with number 2, question number 2. I'm not going to solve everything. I will solve it halfway, and I will give you time to solve the remaining. Don't forget to send your answer to the comment section so that we can tell you whether you are right or wrong. Can we move together now? P varies inversely as well, square of w, not square root, not square root of w, but what? Square of w. All right, can we move on now? P, this will change to equal sign. What are you going to put there? You introduce your constant. multiply by 1 over W squared. Good. Then we move on. P equal to K multiplied by 1. You have K over W squared. Good. From here now, what you need to do, you can see that you've been given the value for your W to be 4 and the value for your P to be what? 9. I know you are thinking that I should be able to solve it, but let me pause here so that you can have something to do. But don't forget that I told you that you should solve it and drop your answer in the comment section so that we can tell you whether you are right or wrong. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.